I'm that nigga from Chabas TV.
But man, you're not done me do it so far. Tiffany in there. I think she ready. You can't say, why you look like an idiot, dog. What you do over here? Me and boyfriend, we are going to the library. You feel a nerd, you know. You don't have to deal with me, some of you. What's up? My youth, how you do that? An idiot. Man, stop violating me, dog. Me just beg you call your sister for me. Yo, I be an idiot, but you're there with it, dog. Stop talk to me them kind of way, they know youth. You don't know me, you know. I play with you, dog.
Oh lie, if your man know him woulda cry. Tell him a lie. Oh, you and I, you're more if you do. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. You know me want some again. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. You know me want some again.